Hello everyone, this is Yonggang Wu from Labii. Today I'm going to show you how to do equipment scheduling with Labii ELN and LIMS. So first, log into labii.app. If you have one account, you can log into it directly. If you don't have one, you can always click the sign up to create one account for yourself. So I'm going to log into my own account and then select the Labii demo account to demonstrate this purpose. Then you will notice under this dashboard there's a lot of tables, and one of the table called equipment is actually managing all the equipment belong to me. In my list there's a PCI machine, so I will go ahead and click the PCI machine and then click the detail of this PCI machine. Under the detail you will notice there are many different sections. The first one is the QR code, the second one is a picture about this PCI machine, and then the next one is the scheduling. If you did not see this section, you can always add one by clicking this plus button and then search scheduling. So the scheduling widget will show up, and then click this widget, click submit, a new section will be added directly. Since I already have one, so I'm not going to add this one. So once you add it, you will notice it will show you some kind of calendar event. JSON already scheduled this event between 11 to 12. So for me, if I want to schedule the use of this PCI machine, I can always select this time, say I want to use it. All the information already been filled in the pump out. I just need to click submit. So that's it, a new event has been scheduled. And then if you want to change this event, you can always click this event. And then in the pump out, there's a lot of information you can change. You can change the name into someone else. You can also delete this event by clicking the deleting button. So this event has been deleted. So that's it. With the new scheduling widgets in the Labii ELN and the LIMS, it's very easy to manage different people's usage for this particular equipment. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.